Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4th subject GK. Today, we are going to learn what is mangroves, the coastline protector. Info zone where there is mangroves, the coastline protector. What is mangroves? That sounds strange, doesn't it? However, it doesn't have anything to do with a man. Man doesn't want to do anything, it will grow in this mangroves, that is trees only. When we talk about mangroves, we usually mean trees and shrubs that grow in certain coastal regions of the world. The plants and trees in mangroves are different kinds and grow comfortably amidst the salty seawater that often floods the areas. Seedlings are usually eaten up by crabs that once they grow. The roots of the mangrove plants are a home for oysters. Mangrove trees look as if they grow on tides. The tides are special roots which hold the trunk and leaves above the waterline. Mangrove forests are influenced by the rise and fall of the ocean's tides. Mangrove forests are influenced by the rise and fall of the ocean's tides. Mangroves are valued in the coastal zone for their acts as a buffer against erosional storms and tsunamis by slowing down the flow of water. They are also home to different kinds of fish, stump crabs, mudscapes, shorebirds, sea turtles, etc. The Sundarbans in West Bengal is the largest mangrove forest in the world. Which is the largest mangrove forest in the world? Anybody can you say? Are you listening here? Sundarbans in West Bengal. Okay, very good. Today, mangrove forests face danger from pollution by dirty seawater that destroys large area of forest land. Many trees are being cut down as well. This nowadays it is not in the environment, it is cut down. People must be aware of this and must act in a responsible manner to preserve the mangrove forest for their contribution to the environment. What all contribution they are in the environment field, people must understand it. For this purpose only we studied this mangroves. I hope all of you understood this not lesson, but we want to understand it. There is no exercises in the lesson. Okay, then I am going to take a next lesson, transport track record. Lesson 10, transport track record. Without transport we cannot think now. No? Yes. Today what we are going to learn, what would life be without transport? Take a look at the transport scene in the past and now. Date and event. 1881. The world's first electric railway opened in Germany. The world's first electric railway opened in Germany. Where is this opened? Electric railway opened in Germany. Which year? 1881. Okay, very good. Then, and all of you listen here. 1890, the first underground railway city and the South London line opened. 1890, the first underground railway, the city and the South London line opened. 1910, the first car produced on a mass scale was Henry Ford Model T. Henry Ford Model T. 1910, the first car produced on a mass scale was Henry Ford's Model T. 1926, the first liquid fluid rocket designed by Robert Ward was launched. 1926, the first liquid fluid rocket designed by Robert Ward was launched. 1917, the Boeing 747 jumbo jet started commercial service. Jumbo jet started commercial service 1970. Name the following. This we are various exercises are there that we are going to learn now. Name the following. The world's largest airport by area, King Fahd International Airport, Saudi Arabia. The world's largest airport by area, King Fahd International Airport, Saudi Arabia. Second, the world's largest railway station by area, Nagoya Station, Japan. Nagoya Station, Japan. World's largest railway station. Where is the world's largest railway station? Nagoya Station, Japan. Okay, very good. Then all of you listen here, okay? The world's longest railway platform, Kharagpur Railway Station, West Bengal. The world's longest railway platform. The world's longest railway platform, Kharagpur Railway Station, West Bengal. The world's oldest steam locomotive that runs between New Delhi and Alwar in India, the Fairy Queen. That is the Fairy Queen. The world's oldest steam locomotive that runs between New Delhi and Alwar in India. That is in India only. The Fairy Queen. The Fairy Queen. Fifth, the rain which is used for promoting tourism in Rajasthan, India, Palace on Wheels. The train which is used for promoting tourism in Rajasthan, India, Palace on Wheels. These exercises you have to write your notebook and textbook and study. Okay. Thank you, children. That is